Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the Apple 2026 MacBook Air 13-inch laptop with M5 chip, built for AI, 13.6-inch liquid retina display, 16GB unified memory, 512GB SSD, 12MP center stage camera, Touch ID, Wi-Fi 7, Sky Blue. Are you tired of lugging around a heavy laptop that can barely keep up with your busy lifestyle? Well, today we're going to talk about the perfect solution for anyone on the go. With its incredibly portable design and powerful AI capabilities, this MacBook Air is set to revolutionize the way you work, create, and play. So who is this laptop really for? If you're a student looking for an affordable laptop that still packs a punch, or if you're a professional who needs a reliable companion for your creative projects, then this might just be the perfect fit. And let's be honest, with its sleek design and gorgeous display, it's hard not to get excited about this one. One of the things that really sets this MacBook Air apart is its blazing speed and powerful AI capabilities. With Apple Intelligence, you'll have everything you need to write, express yourself, and get things done effortlessly. And don't worry about your data being compromised, even Apple can't access it with their personal intelligence system. Now, let's dive into some of the key features that make this laptop truly special. First up, we have the M5 chip. This powerful processor delivers even more performance and fluidity across apps, making multitasking and creative workflows smooth and responsive. It's like having a supercomputer in your pocket. Another feature that really stands out is the battery life. With up to 18 hours of power on a single charge, you can work or class without worrying about running out of juice. That's perfect for anyone who's always on the go or has a long commute. You'll be able to keep going all day long without needing to recharge. Of course, no laptop would be complete without a great display. The 13.6-inch liquid retina screen is absolutely stunning, with rich contrast and sharp detail that makes photos and videos pop. And with a 3-mic array and 4-speaker sound system, you'll be able to make video calls or work on creative projects with ease. Finally, we have the camera. With its 12MP center stage feature, you'll always be in frame during video calls. And if you want to share a top-down view of your workspace, Desk View is there to help. It's like having a personal assistant built right into your laptop. So what do customers think of this MacBook Air? The verdict is overwhelmingly positive, with a 4.8-star rating from over 400 reviewers. But don't just take our word for it, let's hear what some real users have to say. Overall, I've been really impressed with the performance and features of this laptop. It's clear that Apple has put a lot of thought into creating something truly special. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who needs a reliable laptop for everyday use, this MacBook Air is definitely worth considering. If this review helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews. The link to grab the Apple 2026 MacBook Air 13-inch laptop with is right below in the description. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.